Hello, this is Ed, a coin investor. Today I will tell you about free mining. It's free mining, but there's also paid mining. However, what I'm telling you is mainly about free mining, so I recommend you do it. Why do you have to do this? Well, the investment was well received. The investment was well received and the official Solana is worth shilling. This is a project promoted by Solana. So because of the project Solana is pushing, the coin has fallen a lot these days, so it hurts a lot. I highly recommend doing this because through the event, I earned 400,000 won for such a real ring, and I am giving it away and continuing to use points. So I hope you guys do it. This airdrop will definitely be listed. There will be no rug because the investment was well received and Solana is pushing it. So I hope you do this airdrop. When I looked at other YouTube channels, there was no YouTube channel that told me about this. We recommend that those who watch it on our channel do so. In the Play Store, you need to search for Cudis in the App Store or in the Play Store, Cudis. Then the shape falls like this. You can find a Cudis. As for the points you can collect every day, I recommend that you collect every day. You can connect fitness apps or connect your fitness data. You can earn points every time you move. But this is a little tricky. So you have to do two things. First of all, you need to connect your health data. You make sure to get points by moving like this. And secondly, there is something called Edamam's Rush. If you press the rush of my heart, I don't really like playing that ball game. But to do this, if you look at the rush of your heart, you have to collect 50 points and play the game for more than 3 minutes. If you press this on the top right like this, the coins and points will gather again. Points will gather again, and these points will be learned at the top left and below the ranking. If you look at it this way, if you buy tennis or a rugby ball, the ball that spins next to this character becomes more powerful. So you have to crush them with this strong power and collect 50 points. 50 points a day. Now I have collected 12 points. You have to play for more than 3 minutes and collect 50 points. So you have to satisfy these two things. Collect more than 50 points in the game for more than 3 minutes. So if I collect 50 points like this, if you score more than 50 points like this, do it like this and leave it on for 3 minutes. Then, if you turn it off and get 50 points and become a rapper, you can get more draws. Where to play rapper? If you press beauty at the bottom right and then press Airdrop on the 5th, a window will appear where you can enter. Mine is SZ23W9EG. If you look at the YouTube pinned comments, you will also see a link to download from the Google Store or App Store, and then you will also leave a referral code. If you enter this referral code, you will now receive a free draw. If you receive it for free and return it now, you will receive at least 50 points. I also recommend that you add this and get a rep. There is an AI coach above check-in, and if you look at the coach at the bottom left here, well, you can use Saki Petty for free. Now, if you ask questions about health, you give 20 points to 25 points. So I don't have many questions, but I got a little tired of asking health-related questions like how to cure a cold. Then, thank you. Do this and force yourself to do this. Why do you do this? Because you give me points. So if you put the points together like this and then sort them out, you can now connect the data and get the points as you move. First and second, play a game called Edamam's Rush by meeting 2 conditions and earning 50 points. You have to earn more than 50 points and play for more than 3 minutes. Then the second step is to have a conversation with the AI coach like this. Now, if you can be my referee, it's free. You can get the draw. You can also buy a raffle, but if you look at the top right here, it says reading. If you press lead, how long will you buy lead like this? So if you buy a lead like this, you can draw like this. After the draw, 50 points may come out, and now 50 points have come out. You can get 50 points, you can get 500 points, you can get 1,500 or 3,000, 10,000 points, and $10, and a ring. So You guys can get this and get a 400,000 one jar. Because you get airdrops for points, you may get more coins. If you are a referee, you can get more of this draw. Where to make a referrer is to press beauty at the bottom right, and then press ether referrer at the 5th time, and a window will appear where you can enter. The removal is SZ23W9EG. If you look at the YouTube pinned comments, you will also see a link to download from the Google Store or App Store, and then you will also leave a referral code. If you enter this referral code, you will now receive a free draw. Get it for free. Now, if you return it once, you will receive at least 50 points. I also recommend that you add this and get a wrap. So now if you press Salus Wrap, this is how the raffle is going now. Go back to the raffle and get points now. So that's where the airdrop guide ends. Airdrop. The listing is already scheduled. It will be listed around April or May in the first half of this year. From now on, I hope you will work on airdrop and receive coins. The coin market is very bad right now, but I think it would be good to make money as a side business through this kind of airdrop work. Today I learned about Cudis. So far this is a coin investment guide. If it helps, subscribe and like, please.